एजाज के साथ मेरा रिश्ता बहुत अच्छा था शुरुआत में, अभी भी अच्छा है, नो डाउट, टच वुड। बट उसका और पवित्रा का रिश्ता कितना फेक था शो में पता नहीं, बट अभी इट्स वेरी रियल। जिन लोगों को लगता है कि बिग बॉस में रियल फ्रेंडशिप नहीं होती है, इट्स अ मिथ, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है। रियलिटी ये है कि इट्स अ रियल शो, इट्स अ रियलिटी शो, और दोस्ती बनती है, कभी कभी नहीं बनती है।
Hello everyone, you're tuned into peoplemoon.com. I'm Rashida Sahani, and today I'm extremely pleased to be chatting with Nikki Tamboli, who recently created so much buzz with her beautiful performance in Big Boss 14. Hi Nikki, how have you been?
Hi, I'm good. Well, I got COVID and now I'm recovered. So yeah, I'm resting and working, taking care of myself. Yeah.
Yeah, and we heard that soon after you recovered, you jumped back to working again. So how was that?
Like today, like for example, today I tested negative, and the next day I was flying.
For work, great. And now
Yeah.
we of course also hear that you will be seen in Khatro Ke Khiladi. What's the update on that?
Not sure, not sure. I'm not physically fit, but let's see. Let's see.
Okay. And how's
Yeah.
the new house treating you?
New house is pretty much well. Things are just, I haven't unpacked. I'm
Yeah.
not getting time मेरा खुद का घर देखने के लिए. मैंने अपना खुद का घर का एक टूर नहीं किया है. तो rather than vacation, मुझे लगता है मैं खुद का घर में ही एक vacation कर लूंगी कि मुझे घूमने दो मेरे खुद के घर में, because time ही नहीं मिल रहा अपने घर में रहने को यार. बिल्कुल time नहीं मिल रहा.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. And Nikki, of course, we saw that you gave a very strong performance inside the Big Boss house. And usually, what happens that when people reach an all-time low in their careers, after then they join Big Boss. But you are pretty young and you started your career a while back and you joined, and you were a pretty good name in the South industry as well. So how did that happen?
Like Big Boss, how did that happen?
Yeah.
I don't know. I got an offer last year also, but last year मैंने message late देखा था, and I was shooting also. तो मैंने last season तो देखा था, but this season also I got an offer. पहले like I have been a huge fan of Big Boss, so definitely ना बोलने का यही नहीं था. तो जैसे offer आया, I had a word with my mom and my brother, and they were like, yes, you can. But they were still confused, but I was pretty much sure that I am going. You support me or you don't. But eventually, obviously, they are my parents and he's my brother. Obviously, they supported me a lot.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay. And of course, inside the house, I think this was that one season which was filled with love. So we saw you were at one point very close to Ejaz, and we saw Ejaz and Pavitra. And in the beginning, they were being termed as fake or not original or whatever. So, what was your point of view back then and now?
मैंने अपना टाइम बर्बाद किया नहीं इसको उसको देखते हुए या नोटिस करते हुए या किसी पे कमेंट करते हुए. आई वॉज वेरी मच फोकस्ड इनटू माय गेम एंड व्हाट आई हैव टू प्ले, और मुझे किसके साथ रिश्ते बनाने हैं. एजाज के साथ मेरा रिश्ता बहुत अच्छा था शुरुआत में, अभी भी अच्छा है, नो डाउट, टच वुड. बट उसका और पवित्रा का रिश्ता कितना फेक था शो में पता नहीं, बट अभी इट्स वेरी रियल. एंड टच वुड दोनों बहुत खुश है एक दूसरे के साथ, एंड वी आर जस्ट हैप्पी टू सी देम टुगेदर.
Oh, that's great. And what about Rahul and Disha? Because Rahul and you actually gave friendship goals at one point. Like there were so many tweets about your friendship with Rahul. So, now they are also planning to getting married. So, are you looking forward to joining the festivities?
See, I don't know, but getting married is something very beautiful thing, and yeah, और एक ही बार होती है शादी, तो we definitely bless them, and they love each other a lot, and he was my friend in Big Boss, but अभी तो फिलहाल बातचीत नहीं हो रही, but he was my friend, so I will I'll always have a soft corner for him, and yeah.
Okay. And Nikki, every now and then we also see you ki aap paparazzi photos mein hoti ho, and you have actually become so, people actually wait for your photos to come out on
Really?
Viral or on Manav. So how do you feel about that change that has happened?
I feel that amazing. I feel good. I love the popularity I'm gaining day by day. It's increasing, and my fans are loving me. They are sending me gifts every time, and I'm getting messages. So this is something special. You feel your friends can't make you feel like that, but your fans can make you feel that, you know. So it's amazing. I'm just loving it and enjoying the moment.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
great. And how has life been after Big Boss 14? Like, I'm sure it has been very hectic due to the work, but what are the other changes that you are getting right now?
हाँ डेफिनेटली वर्क में तो बहुत ग्रोथ हुई है. एवरी डे आई एम बिजी विद सम अदर थिंग, डूइंग सम अदर थिंग. ग्रोथ बहुत हुई है. एंड यार सब्जी भी खरीदने जाती हूँ तो पता नहीं लोग कैसे पहचान लेते हैं. सो इट्स नाइस. आई एम लविंग इट. आई डोंट डिनाई दैट आई डोंट लाइक इट. आई लव इट. I love like people look at me and they admire me and they adore me. I love it. I love it. My fans and my friends, my family member, they look up to me and I love it.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
And what about, your equation with Rakhi Sawant? Because inside the house, we saw that aap dono ke beech mein thode bahut jhagde hue, but recently, of course, you joined her in her celebration party. So all good now with her?
Yeah, all good, but हमारे दिन रात बातें नहीं होती. I mean, obviously we all get busy in our life.
Yeah.
तो hi hello हो जाती है. And she's a sweet girl, yeah.
Okay. And recently we also saw this Barbie doll that was made on you. So what was your first reaction when you came to know about that?
About what?
About a doll that's made on you. Do you know about that?
Doll? No, I don't know. What's that?
Okay. So basically a photo of you from the Big Boss house in which you are wearing a red dress. That same thing has been made into a doll and it's being sold on an online website and people are buying it. It's called a Nikki Tamboli doll.
Oh, really? I don't know this.
Yeah.
I don't know this. If you have something or something like that purchasing, please do WhatsApp me.
Yeah, sure. And there have been so many articles also on it.
Send me, please. If you have my number, please do send me. I would love to.
Sure. Would do that.
Please do that, please. Oh wow, this just made my day.
Oh, so this is your first reaction. I was going to ask you what was your first reaction.
Lovely.
And I got
oh my
it
god,
right.
this really made my day. Yeah. Lovely.
And earlier a similar doll was made on Taimur Ali Khan, and I think after him yours has been made.
Oh really? Wow,
Yeah.
That's amazing. Wow. I'm lucky though. Yeah, thank you.
No problem. And Nikki, we saw in this season the three seniors who came in, Hina, Gauhar, and Siddharth, they played an important role. If you get a chance next season to enter as a senior or a guide, would you like to do that?
Definitely yes. No doubt about saying no.
Okay. And we see a lot of people after Big Boss, they go the Bollywood way, they enter films. Like Shehnaz is doing a film with Diljit now. So are you also planning to get into Bollywood full-fledged?
Of course, I'm also doing my Bollywood debut. Can't discuss more about it, but of course, I would love to do films and music videos and everything. Yeah.
Okay. And which please continue.
That's what I'm saying. Who doesn't want to do films and all?
I'm sure. And if I ask you which one of the male actors that you would select, or would want to work with definitely from Bollywood, who would it be?
Salman sir.
Okay, that is great. And we would actually love to see you two on screen with that, no-joke relationship that you had in BB. Yeah. Okay, that's amazing. And, Nikki, with the web space also becoming so popular right now, do you also see yourself doing some web projects?
Yeah, I'm seeing myself doing everything. When I close my eyes, I see it's everywhere. I'm everywhere. So yeah, I'm doing everything.
That's amazing. And your recent song that I watched, Birthday Party, that became a massive hit. And now you're, of course, doing another one with Tony Kakkar. So do you think music videos, the trend of following music videos has become very famous? Because we see so many Big Boss contestants, Rubina, Abhinav, Ali, Jasmine, everyone, they are doing it. So what is your take on that?
Yeah, music video मतलब आजकल बहुत trend में चलते रहते हैं. And there are varieties, right? Few are sad, few are sad romantic, few are just romantic, few are a peppy song, dance number, item song. So yeah, it's a good thing,
Okay. And even in the fashion industry, Nikki, you have become that one name that is looked up to. Even in the Big Boss house, I think you were the only contestant who was, making sure of wearing a lot of fashionable clothes and following the trend and all of that. And even outside, now that we see you making appearances, it's all about fun and fashion. So how do you up your fashion game all the time?
I work hard. I put my energy and time into it. I sit and I plan everything what I need to wear and everything I plan and I go accordingly. So yeah, I like to
Okay.
be comfortable and stylish. So I work hard.
Oh, that is great. And of course, Nikki, after the gain of popularity that happened after Big Boss, people have sort of so many expectations from you that they want to see you in everything, like you just mentioned. तो उस पे आप कैसे रिएक्ट करते हो? क्या वो एक टाइप का प्रेशर डालता है आपके ऊपर कभी भी कोई काम पे?
Of course, it's a pressure, right? Ki people want to see me in different characters, different roles. The pressure to have because of the COVID, things are getting delayed. But I also want to make my fans happy. I also want to see myself on TV, on television, on movies, in web series and everywhere. So thoda delay ho raha hai, but it's a pressure. Yeah, of course, it's a pressure. Working on it.
Okay. And talking about, of course, the Big Boss house, it has been said that you don't make true friends inside, but we see you, Rubina, and Abhinav pretty close. We see your photos and all.
Yeah, we
So
are. Yeah.
how has that been? Carry forward the medicine, the friendship from the house.
Okay, so जिन लोगों को लगता है कि बिग बॉस में रियल फ्रेंडशिप नहीं होती है, इट्स अ मिथ. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. रियलिटी ये है कि इट्स अ रियल शो, इट्स अ रियलिटी शो. और दोस्ती बनती है, कभी कभी नहीं बनती है. इट डिपेंड्स. और जो बनती है वो तो ऑब्वियसली सच्ची ही बनती है. और जिनके साथ मेरी बनी वो उनसे मैं बाहर भी बातें करती हूँ. सो इट्स लाइव एग्जाम्पल कि सच्ची ही दोस्ती बनती है. तो या वी शेयर एन अमेजिंग बॉन्ड वी थ्री एंड हम मिलते रहते हैं.
Okay, that is fantastic. And Nikki, lastly, one message for everyone who will be watching this and all your fans everywhere.
I love my fans. I would love to tell them कि अभी कोविड बहुत ज्यादा चल रहा है यहाँ पे. तो stay safe, stay indoors, take care of your loved ones and keep loving me. I love you a lot.